Before even you start with a side project, it is important to know why you want to start a side project. The reason, that reason will help you stay motivated throughout your journey, because the only income part, that money part, won't help you stay motivated for longer period. Of course it should be one of the reasons, but don't make it a primary reason. So reasons can be anything, your motivation can be anything, whether you want to build a personal brand to just stay unique from your colleagues, or you just want to explore and learn new things, or it's for career advancement, that can be also a major reason. Then you want the best of both worlds, like you want the best of job, you want best of business, so it can be one of the reasons as well. Then another reason can be just to have some productive time, the extra time that you have should be productive, that can be also one of the reasons. So whatever the reason is, you should know why you want to start a side project, so that you remain motivated and sustained throughout the long period of time, and you keep on experimenting new things throughout your journey. So if you ask me what exactly my motivation is, so first of all, whatever I build, whatever I create using my side projects, I feel extremely satisfied when they create impact on the lives of people, they help somehow. And second motivation for me is that it brings immense amount of career opportunities for me, because whatever I'm learning, whatever the experience that I'm getting throughout my journey with side projects, I don't think any MBA certification or any course will help me with that. So today's action item for you is that use this comment section of this video and tell me why you want to start a side project.